how to check recent activity on Android phone. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up the settings in your mobile device. And here scroll down a bit and then tap on Google. Then tap on manage your Google account. And from this menu bar under your profile name, there is an option as data and privacy. Tap on that. After that, scroll down a bit and there you get an option or button as my activity. So tap on my activity. That will take you to next page. Here if you scroll down a bit and under this section, you will be able to find all the recent activity that you have done in your Android device. So this is the way to view your recent activity on Android device. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.